You know what I've realized? Most women in business are hustling every single day, selling, posting, doing everything manually, yet still feeling like they're not growing fast enough. If that sounds like you, then this video is for you. Because today, I'll show you how to move from consistent hustle to digital growth. How to build a strong, profitable online brand that works for you. Many of us started our businesses out of passion. You probably started yours because you're good at something, you love helping people, or you wanted to create income for your family. But somewhere along the way, we get stuck in the busy zone. You're doing everything: packaging, customer service, marketing, accounting, but not seeing the kind of growth you want. And the reason isn't your effort, it's your system. Now, in 2026, growth doesn't just come from working harder, it comes from going digital. When I say go digital, I don't mean posting every once in a while in Instagram or forwarding your catalog on WhatsApp. I'm talking about building an actual digital presence that can attract, nurture, and convert customers even when you're not online. It's about having a clear online identity and message, using the right tools, and make marketing simple. Understanding your audience and showing up where they are, and automating tasks that eat your time. That's how you go from hustle mode to growth mode. Here are the 3 digital shifts you need to make. The first shift is from random posting to digital strategy. Don't just post to be seen, post with purpose. Every caption, video, or image should align with your business goal and audience. The second shift is from manual selling to smart systems. Use automation tools for message, orders, and follow-ups. Tools like Canva, ChatGPT, and simple CRM tools can save you hours weekly. And the third shift is from trying everything to learning what works. Digital marketing isn't guesswork, it's strategy. Once you learn how ads, funnels, or AI tools work, you can scale faster with less stress. I've seen incredible women grow once they learned how to use digital tools right. Women who used to sell about 10 to 10 people a month are now selling 200 and spending less time doing it. When you digitize, you're not just growing your business, you're growing your confidence, your freedom, and your impact. That's why I created this program that helps women like you make digital simple. If you're ready to build a business that works smarter, not harder, join my class. I'll be enrolling you to WIDB, that is Women in Digital Business Program. And also I'll help you to learn how to build your online presence, use digital tools, market with confidence, and set up your business for growth. Our first class starts this November, and we have limited spots. If you're ready to get enrolled, click the link below and start your journey to becoming a confident digital entrepreneur. The future is in digital. It belongs to women who take action. I'll see you on the inside.